Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you if your Windows 11 the clock apps is not working, then I will show you how you're going to fix it. Very simple. You just need to come over into your search option and going to search for clock. Here is our clock. So if you click on the right mouse button, then you will get an option called app settings. So if you click on that, your clock app settings will be open. And now what you need to do, you just need to come over into the reset section and going to click on repair. After completing the repair, there will be a right into the front of repair. If it's not fixed yet, then click on reset, click reset. And after that, I hope your problem is solved. But if it's not solved yet, then there is another method that can help you to solve this problem. You just simply come over into your search option and going to search for PowerShell. Here is Windows PowerShell. If you click on that, here is your PowerShell opened. And now what you need to do, you just need to first copy this command. Don't worry, I will give you this command in the video description. From there, you can simply copy it and paste it over here like this. So basically it will happen that it will automatically install your clock from these Windows, and after that, so after installing it, you just simply come over into your Microsoft Store, and from here you just need to search for clock. Click enter, maximize it, and you will get a bunch of clock, but it will be over here that Windows clock. And if you just click on get, it will automatically downloading, and you can see the download is completed. And now if you open, you can see your clock is now running into your Windows without any problem. So this is how you can fix the problem. Your clock is not working into Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.